uchapa. That's why mina ngiyamangala umuntu nakashadile tshela indoda athi angifuna ukuzala. Ufuna ukuyenzani? Ushadele. Amen. You remember? Yeah, it's true. You remember what I said the other day? I said it before, I'm going to say it again. Paul put it polite. Paul uti, listen, when we preach, we say namtanda mshad. It's a good word. But the exact word does not actually say, but the love, husband love your wives, and wife do what? Submit, because the woman cannot love. The woman can only love with the love that the man has given. But here's a secret. Paul agati now mtanda mshad. No. Paul has written, what do Paul? If you burn with desire, now shut in coming. Shut. Do you hear it? Is that right? It's Bible, no? What's in it? Which means abantu nabayoshada kusuke kuvuke izinkanu both sides, but they want to do it the right order. Now, ngamanye amagama lenkanu bona ivumile uthi put the right order, faki ring ushade, so this matters will be tackled accordingly. Now, that means nagathi mawushinkanu shada, which means have somebody to focus on. Ukuthi na unenkinga uyazi ukuthi ubani umuntu okhulumisana naye according to the word. But listen to me, ladies, ngiyaphinda. When a man saying funa umntwana, wena uthi I said it last. Uzohamba ayenza umntwana ngaphandle. If he does that, awukwazi ukumblame ngoba ukurepotele wena wa decide ukuvala. That's why indoda nayishadile nakathi ngifuna umntwana, respect that, mnike lo mntwana ngoba uzohamba ayomenza somewhere. Remember I told you the other day, ukuthi na ubheka the age yalo mntwana uzodiscover ukuthi ukhulele age le the day aqela ungafuni lo mntwana na uqala ukubala uyanele leyo age. Because when a man saying ngifuna umntwana or abantwana, don't say lalela ngizonitshela isecret, lalela ngosisi. uNkulunkulu nakakunika ifika uyihle, it's fine. But now fikile emshadweni noma ulimaintainer, mana nakufikile la ubaba kosela be satisfy khona, ungafaki ifika lakho, akenzi next ifika lakho, akenze into efanele iyenzwe, or you train or you diet, that's up to you. Marungathi no unesifika lami angifuna abantwana uzokhala izinyembezi. Because you find abafazi namhlanje even in Christians ebatshela amadoda abashadile bathi no umzimba wami ufuna usoma mina right ngala bantwana ngithi lalela, it is the same thing spiritual. Nakathi uNkulunkulu I want to put my word in you, uthi no uNkulunkulu mina no I'm fine ngi right ngento zomhlaba. You hurting God. One reason why afuna ukusebenzisa wena afake lento afuna ukuyifaka. Do you understand? Because uNkulunkulu nawo afuna ukumlalela, you know what he does? He substitute you. Uzokusubstitute espacing sakho afake omunye umuntu. Go check in the Bible. God is in the business of substituting people. Bengitshela esinye story eBhayibhelini sifuna. I didn't know I would take this turn. There was a woman by the name of Esther. No Vashti.